Hare Krishna, I'm Sunita Sunil with you in 2-minute Mahabharata stories. We'll continue to chant. Anye tvevamajananta Shrutvanyebhya upasate Tepi chatitarantiva Mrityum Shruti Parayanaha. Let us see the translation. Again, there are those who, although not conversant in spiritual knowledge, begin to worship the Supreme Person upon hearing about Him from others. Because of the tendency to hear from authorities, they also transcend the path of birth and death. Let us see the meaning. This verse is particularly applicable to modern society because in modern society there is practically no education in spiritual matters. Some of the people may appear to be atheistic or agnostic or philosophical, but actually there is no knowledge of philosophy. As for the common man, if he is a good soul, then there is a chance for advancement by hearing. This hearing process is very important. Lord Chaitanya, who preached Krishna consciousness in the modern world, gave great preached stress to hearing because if the common man simply hears from authoritative sources, he can progress, especially according to Lord Chaitanya, if he hears the transcendental vibration that is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. It is stated, therefore, that all men should take advantage of hearing from realized souls and gradually become able to understand everything. The worship of the Supreme Lord will then undoubtedly take place. Lord Chaitanya has said that in this age no one needs to change his position, but one should give up the endeavor to understand the absolute truth by speculative reasoning. One should learn to become the servant of those who are in knowledge of the Supreme Lord. If one is fortunate enough to take shelter of a pure devotee, hear from him about self realization, and follow in his footsteps, one will be gradually elevated to the position of a pure devotee. In this verse, particularly, the process of hearing is strongly recommended, and this is very appropriate. Although the common man is often not as capable as so called philosophers, faithful hearing from an authoritative person will help one transcend this material existence and go back to Godhead, back to home. Thank you. Good day to all of you.
ಹರೇ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯ 13 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 26. ಅನ್ಯೇ ತ್ವೇವಮಜಾನಂತಃ ಶ್ರುತ್ವಾನ್ಯೇಭ್ಯ ಉಪಾಸತೆ ತೇಪಿ ಚಾತಿತರಂತ್ಯೇವ ಮೃತ್ಯುಂ ಶ್ರುತಿಪರಾಯಣಾಃ. ಈ ಶ್ಲೋಕದ ಭಾವಾರ್ಥ: ಇತರೇತರ ಸಾಧನ ಜ್ಞಾನವೇನೂ ಇಲ್ಲದವನು ಅನ್ಯೇಭ್ಯ ತತ್ವವನ್ನರಿತ ಮಹಾಪುರುಷರಾದವರಿಂದ ಕೇಳಿ ತಿಳಿದು ಉಪಾಸನೆ ಮಾಡುವರು. ಹೀಗೆ ಕೇಳಲು ತತ್ಪರರಾದ ಪುರುಷರು ಸಹ ಮೃತ್ಯುರೂಪವಾದ ಸಂಸಾರ ಸಾಗರದಿಂದ ಪಾರಾಗುವರೆಂಬುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಳ್ಳಷ್ಟೂ ಸಂಶಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಪಾರಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂಬ ವ್ಯಥೆ ಬೇಡ. ಅಂತಹವರು ಸತ್ಸಂಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪರಮಪ್ರಭುವನ್ನು ಅರಿತವರ ಸೇವಕನಾಗುವುದನ್ನು ಮನುಷ್ಯನು ಕಲಿಯಬೇಕು. ಪರಿಶುದ್ಧ ಭಕ್ತರೊಬ್ಬರ ಆಶ್ರಯ ದೊರೆತು ಅವರಿಂದ ಆತ್ಮ ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ಕಾರದ ವಿಷಯ ಕೇಳಿ ಅವರ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುವ ಅದೃಷ್ಟವು ಲಭ್ಯವಾದರೆ ಅಂತಹ ಮನುಷ್ಯನು ಕ್ರಮೇಣ ಪರಿಶುದ್ಧ ಭಕ್ತನ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಏರುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಈ ಶ್ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಶ್ರವಣದ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ಒತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸೂಚಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಮನುಷ್ಯನು ತತ್ವಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳು ಎನ್ನಿಸಿಕೊಂಡವರಷ್ಟು ಸಮರ್ಥನಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೂ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯಾದ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಂದ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ಕೇಳಿ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡರೆ ಅದು ಈ ಐಹಿಕ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ಮೀರಿ ಭಗವದ್ಧಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂದಿರುಗಲು ನೆರವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ.